Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. This is a quick one. I want to show you Wirestock. In particular, I want to show you how you can take all of your AI videos, your AI images, upload them to Wirestock, and start making a few bucks. Now, if you're like me, I've created, I don't know, thousands of AI images and videos, and they're sitting on my hard drive, and I don't know what to do with them. And if you go to Wirestock, you can upload all of that content, and then you can sell it using Wirestock. And better yet, they will distribute them to up to 14 different marketplaces where you can start making money. So let me show you how to do that, as well as create your own AI images using Wirestock's internal tools. So let's get started. All right, so the first step, go to wirestock.io. Link will be in the description. And then for me, I'm going to click on sign in. If this is your first time signing in, you'll have to do the sign up and you get one of these 4 choices. I am going to sign in with Google. It's free to sign up, so just go nuts and click on the buttons, and then presto, you're going to see the dashboard. Now, I've just signed up a few days ago, and I haven't started earning any money yet because, well, I'm just brand new to it, but I want to show you how you can. So here's an example. I've got 5 AI images in my gallery, and now I want to go through this step by step and show you how you can use this tool to make a few bucks. All right, so if you're following along with me, I'm going to go up to the top here, and I'm going to click on challenges. This is one of a few different ways to make money. This is not the only way, this is just one of them. And you'll see here under challenges, they have creative challenges, and right now there's 2 running. They tell you how much the prize is, when it ends, the number of submissions, and then this one here is $100. That's actually pretty darn good. And there's only 258 submissions. So why don't we take a look at that one? So this is a 48-hour challenge for symbolism. So $100 prize sounds pretty good. Let's go ahead and click on this arrow here and dig a little deeper into this challenge. So here we go. $100. It ends in just over 24 hours, 258 submissions. And then if you want to drill down, it tells you exactly how much the prizes are. So this one's $50. The top person, $20, 15, and 5 for 3 runner-ups, which is cool. And then again, if you want to go and dig in, you can see what the rules are. All the challenges are generally a little different, so you definitely want to take a look at the rules. And then they even give you some suggestions, best practices, and judging criteria. So this is one of the ways to make a few bucks using Wirestock. I'm going to show you a few other things. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit back on this here, and now I want to show you how you can also make a few bucks. At the top here, you're going to see dashboard, and under dashboard, this is where you'll get an earnings summary. But look at this, you don't just get to upload to Wirestock and let Wirestock go ahead and sell them for you. No, not at all. Shutterstock, you'll make money off Shutterstock. You can make money off Pond5. They've got Getty and iStock links, Dreamstime. Wow, just so many. Alamy, Adobe. I mean, we're talking Adobe, one of the big hitters out there, and even 123RF. And that's just a few of them. There's a few other ones here. But what happens is you upload your image or your video, and then you can automatically select to have your content shared to all of these different areas or all these different marketplaces. And then if you sell something on Shutterstock, instead of having to create an account on Shutterstock and log in to Shutterstock and get a little bit of change here and a little bit of money there, it all gets aggregated and brought into Wirestock. This is fantastic, and it's a super easy way for you to create images or videos one time, sell them on multiple marketplaces, and get that money all in one place. All right, so if you're following along with me, let's just go back to the main page, and now I want to show you the AI tools. Up here at the top right, you've probably been staring at that and going, hey, what is that? Well, this is amazing. Check this out. I'm going to left click on it, and then when I do that, you'll see a whole bunch of different options. In particular, AI image generators. They've got reimagining tools, face swapping, in painting, image mixers, upscalers, all kinds of stuff. The first one I want to show you is the AI image generator. This is probably my favorite one. I'll just click on that. And look at this. On the left side here, you can see that I can enter in my own custom prompt. For example, Bulldog reading, I don't know, reading a book. Sure, I like to make it nice and simple. You guys know me. Bulldog reading a book. I'll select the orientation, so whether or not I want square or vertical or whatever it is. Let's go with square for this one here. And then as I go down here, you'll see here that we've got some options. These are the themes. So if you already want, you kind of know what you want. I want a professional headshot looking one, or maybe I want pop art. There's just so many different ones here to select from. And do keep in mind that you don't have to select one. This is just a shortcut so that if you have something in mind or if you see something you like, it'll just go ahead and add in some information for you. So let's click on this one here, Graffiti Punk. So that's the one I'm going to go with for now. I'm going to go back here. So let's go ahead and click back. I'm going to select, actually, you know what? I kind of like pop art. Let's go with pop art. Why not, right? That one looks pretty good. And then if I go down a little further, we can select a different style. Animes, photography, comic books, fantasy, all of these different things here. And then even better, you can do an image to image. So if you have an image that let's say you had a picture of your bulldog and then you wanted to turn it into a comic book style, you could just upload an image, put your dog's picture right here, add that in, select comic book, and then get a comic book version of it. So anyways, there's text to prompt, there's image to image, it's all here. I'm just going to go ahead and use text to prompt for now. I'm going to go ahead and click generate, and we selected pop art if I remember correctly. So this again is just one of the ways you can start creating content. Do keep in mind that while this generates, you can also upload AI video content as well and sell that on the marketplace too. So I'll come back when this is done, and then we'll kick it off and we'll go into the other parts of the Wirestock. All right, so we got a pop art style here, some Andy Warhol-y type look here. If I click on these images, hey, look at that. That's a great image. It's got that abstract painting in the background, bulldog reading a book, and I know it doesn't look realistic, but remember I selected pop art as my style. So there you go. There's just one example. Now, if we look through this here, you'll see down at the bottom here, again, I want to do this very quickly. If you upload an image, you can create it based off that. So let me show you how to do that. All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to grab a picture of my dog. His name is Kingston, and I'm going to drag and drop it right there. And it should, oh no, actually, I'm just going to click on it and upload it. I'm not sure if the drag and drop works at the moment. So I'm going to go ahead and upload it. There's my dog right there. I'm going to click on open. And then for this one, I want to make him look like he's in a comic book. And then maybe for the heck of it, let's go with something like, what do you see here? I don't know, one of these styles. I don't know, I'm going to go with Graffiti Punk. So I'm going to use that. And I'm going to use comic book. And then I'm just going to click on generate. I'll come back when this is done. I'm going to show you how you take an image and turn it into something awesome, just like this. All right, welcome back. So this one, I don't know about that one, but look at the one down here at the bottom. You get 3 generations. That is pretty much my bulldog, but now in a comic-y, pop art, graffiti-ish style. I love this video. I love this image, pardon me. I'm just going to go ahead up here to the top, and I'm going to hit post. And the reason why I'm doing that is because this way I can submit it with one click into all of the different marketplaces like I talked about earlier. So when I click post here on the right side, you're going to see a few different options. I'm just going to wait for this to finish up. It should take just a second or two. There we go. It's done. Now take a look at this. Under challenges, this is not specific for any challenge, but if I was creating content for a challenge, it's literally just checkbox here. Just click it and bang, it will be submitted automatically to the challenge. You'll see here that I've got a check mark beside cell prompt. This, of course, you don't have to do that. This is optional, but hey, I'm going to do it. Why not? And then here we go. This is the most important one here, sell on marketplaces. Notice here that the marketplaces are already selected for me, but if I want to edit the marketplaces, here we go. I've got all of these different marketplaces checkmarked. I'd add in Free Pick. I'll add in Miri Canvas. I'll add in Imago. Why not? Let's just do them all. Imago. I'm not even sure how to say that correctly. Hey, fair enough. And I can also sell it directly from my portfolio page. So when I click on post here, this is now going to be available in all those different areas, those marketplaces and subscription areas. Here we go. I'm just going to click on post. And presto, it is now done. It has been submitted and we are in business. Okay, now I'm going to show you a few more things that I like. All right, so I'm just going to click on back here and then I'm going to go right back to the main page here. And now I'm going to show you custom projects. I like this too. I mean, it's not just one way to make a few bucks on Wirestock. There's multiple ways here. And this one is custom projects, pardon me, and it's another way to earn a few extra bucks. So here you go. We've got storytelling through sequential photography or photo editing showcase. You'll see here that you can earn up to 300 bucks, which is kind of nice here. And then it gives you a brief synopsis of what you can do. But if you want to go deeper and it's something that interests you, you can go ahead and read through this here and you'll see that there's, you know, an example, image 1, cat looking out the window. Image 2, cat's thinking. Number 3, cat's climbing a ladder. Image 4, cat's having a nap by the window. There's the sequence here. And then, you know, go a little further in here and it'll say exactly what you have to do in order to be a part of the custom project. Now, if I want to apply to the project, I would just go ahead and apply. But in this case, I'm not going to, but I wanted to show you that that is available. All right, so I'm going to go back to the main page here, and sometimes it opens up new tabs, doesn't matter. And then presto, there you go. So when I click on that, I'm going to click on my portfolio here. These are the images that I've generated so far, and I've only made about 6 or 7 images, but hey, why not? And then if I click on dashboard, again, these are all of the places where all of your images and your AI videos are submitted. Keep in mind that if you do this, consistency is pretty important. The more you create, the more likely you are to get purchased. And then pricing, here you go. So, I mean, it has a free tier here. So if I read to you the pricing, I mean, it's pretty simple. You get 5 marketplace and challenge submissions, and it costs you nothing. And you can also use their AI image generator 5 times without getting charged. If you want to kind of participate and take it to the next level, they've got a $12.99 a month subscription model, and they've also got a $19.99 premium AI one where 1,000 AI images monthly, 200 monthly marketplace submissions. So yeah, there's a lot going on there. And yeah, you can go ahead and do a whole bunch of stuff. So again, do what you're going to do. You'll notice here I have the premium AI plan. I'm probably going to take a run at this and see how this goes and submit a whole bunch of stuff, see if I make any money. But who knows? But there you go, guys. That is Wirestock in a nutshell. There's more to it. If you want to use some of the reimagining tools and in-painting tools and things like that, those are also available. If you've used any, stable diffusion stuff, you'll probably know how to do that. So I don't want to go over that if you probably already know what I'm talking about. But that's also included in here. And overall, guys, this is just a great way to upload your content, your AI content, make a few bucks, give it a crack. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching.